Hi everyone, welcome back to Just Tech It Easy. Today we're wrapping up our Lindy.ai series with an exciting finale. We'll explore how to use existing templates in Lindy.ai to jumpstart your automation, dive into famous use cases like meeting setup and management, and finally, do a quick recap of everything we've learned so far. But before we dive in, I have a quick favor to ask. If you've enjoyed this series or found it helpful, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Also, I'd love to hear from you. What's the one workflow you'd like to see automated? Or is there a platform or tool you're curious about? Drop your ideas in the comments below, and I might just explore them in an upcoming series. All right, with that out of the way, let's dive into today's content. Lindy.ai makes automation easier with its library of ready-to-use templates. These templates are designed to help you automate common workflows in just a few clicks. Let's take a look. Navigate to the Templates library and select a template. Let's use the Meeting Setup template as an example. Once you click on a template, Lindy walks you through customization. Add your meeting platform integration, like Google Calendar or Zoom. Define your triggers. For example, when a meeting is created. Set up your actions like sending reminders, preparing an agenda, or collecting RSVPs. With just a few tweaks, you have a fully functioning workflow. Templates save you time and give you inspiration for building your own custom solutions. Now, let's talk about one of Lindy.ai's most famous use cases, meeting management. Lindy handles every stage of the meeting lifecycle, pre-meeting, during the meeting, and in post-meeting. Pre-meeting automation. Before the meeting, Lindy can schedule the meeting automatically based on everyone's availability. Create and share the agenda with participants. Send reminders via email or Slack to ensure everyone's prepared. During the meeting. When the meeting starts, Lindy's agents can take notes in real time. Track time to ensure the agenda stays on track. Highlight key discussion points and decisions. Post-meeting automation. After the meeting, Lindy takes over. It sends a meeting summary to all attendees, lists out action items, assigns them to the right people, and follows up on deadlines. By automating these steps, Lindy ensures that no detail is missed, and your team stays productive and aligned. We've covered a lot in this series, so let's quickly recap what we've learned. Introduction to Lindy.ai. We started by understanding what Lindy.ai is and how it fits into the world of AI automation. Key concepts and setup. We explored Lindy agents, integrations, and workflows. We also walked through setting up an account and connecting apps like Gmail and Google Calendar. Building simple and complex workflows. We built a simple meeting scheduler and then expanded it with features like edge cases and decision-making, leveraging AI agents. Finally, we dove into creating workflows entirely within Lindy, avoiding external tools and showcasing the power of AI agents. This final video ties it all together with templates and famous use cases, giving you a complete understanding of Lindy's capabilities. That's it. Time to wrap up this exciting Lindy series. Whether you're automating your meeting workflows, building custom automations, or exploring templates, Lindy has tools to simplify your work and boost your productivity. Before we go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. And let me know in the comments what workflow you'd want to see automated next. If you have a favorite tool or platform you'd like us to explore in detail, we'd love to hear about it. Your suggestions help shape future content on Just Tech It Easy. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey, and I'll see you in the next series. Until then, keep automating and keep it easy.